What's up, everybody? I'm Ethan, your favorite cameraman from Tennessee Mountain Homestead, and today I bring you my all-terrain lawn tractor form build-off entry, Private Pile. This tractor started out as a 1997 Craftsman LT4000. So let's go over some of the mods that have taken place since.
What are you doing, Ethan? Showing them under the ranch?
Oh yeah. Takes a bit of effort to get the hood off. At least it stays tight. This engine is a 21 horsepower Vanguard V-twin. It came out of a Husqvarna YTH 2148. It has the stock carburetor, but stronger springs and upgraded push rods so it can span out faster. This tractor came with a Spicer 6-speed that had 3/4 inch axles, and we've upgraded it to a Peerless 820, which is a 6-speed. I have a custom clutch setup with an 8-inch engine pulley and a 6-inch transaxle pulley, and this tractor will top out at about 35 miles an hour down the road. I've also got a custom built front axle. It's made of 1.5 by 3-inch rectangular steel tubing and super thick DOM tubing for the spindles to house in. It's also got a thicker tie rod with heim joints on the drag link and the tie rod. I've kept the clutch brake setup on this tractor, but it's been highly modified. Now it has a band brake that works really well, and you'll see that in a minute. For tires, I've got these 20/7/8 Sun F knobby tires on the front. And on the rear, I have these D-Stone Swamp Witches, and they're 24/11/10s. This seat is just your regular old seat that I found on Amazon. On the dashboard, we have the tachometer, start button, tethered kill switch, kill button, the stock lights that are on this switch, and a 6-inch spotlight bar that's on this switch here. And my gas pedal is just a BMX bike brake handle, bolted down and welded to the footboard, straight to the carburetor. And here's that light working. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the starting and stopping capabilities. Going to cut it off with the kill button. Now, I'm going to take my tractor down the road and come in here to demonstrate the braking. one thing I forgot to mention, the 820 differential is locked up tight. And with that, we're going to wrap up this completion video. Be sure to check out the all-terrain lawn tractor forum, ATLTF.com, and check out and vote for any of your favorite builds over there. There's some really cool ones. And with that, I'm Ethan. You're watching Tennessee Mountain Homestead, and we'll see you on the next one.